Hi everyone! Naghahanap ba kayo ng reliable na pickup truck? Yung pwedeng gamitin pamporma, pwedeng gamitin sa negosyo, pwedeng panghakot, or pwedeng pang outdoor activities. Tara! So guys, this is our 2020 Toyota Hilux G automatic transmission 4x2. And as you can see guys, formadong-formado na po siya. Nilagyan namin siya ng LED lights, naka-fog lights, Bosch Europa horn, and other accessories para mas tumindig at mas pumogi. Meron siyang skid plate na TRD sa ilalim. Meron siyang off-road na Achilles tires. And 18-inch na Advan na mags. Tara guys, check natin yung interiors. For a 2020 model, meron kang Toyota Hilux with 34,000 mileage. Push start button, and meron na rin po kayong head unit with Bluetooth capacity. Meron po siyang 2 original keys and complete with owner's manual and booklet. Titignan po natin yung likod ng truck. Makikita mo na sariwa and hindi pa siya nagagamit for cargo. Kasi nabili namin ito sa first owner and ginagamit lang niya to for daily and outdoor activities, especially pag nagka-camping siya. If you're interested, message us sa page namin, Aloha Cars PH on Facebook, and we'll be very happy to assist you. Tara, baka car mo na to.